Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design DJ flares in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new flare size. Fill the background with a dark gradient or abstract textures. Import a DJ or party crowd image and blend it into the background. Then add neon colors overlay like pink, purple and blue for a vibrant vibe. Place geometric shapes like light streaks or glowing lines behind the DJ image. Use the pen tool to create dynamic abstract patterns. Apply bending modes like screen or overlays for light effects. Add bold typography for the DJ names in a large font. Use gradient or neon effects on textures for energy. Add event details like date, time, venue in smaller text. Add the